In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to see if someone half swipes on Snapchat. To determine if someone half swipes on Snapchat, you will need a Snapchat Plus subscription and the Peek a Peek feature enabled. This feature alerts you when someone peeks into a conversation you're involved in. And here's how to do it. 1. Snapchat Plus subscription and Peek a Peek feature. Ensure you have a Snapchat Plus subscription. Navigate to the settings within the Snapchat and enable the Peek a Peek feature. 2. The observing or the eyes emoji. When someone half swipes to peek in your chat, an eye emoji will appear next to the conversation in your chat feed, and this emoji serves as an indication that someone is currently peeking into the conversation. 3. Active monitoring. Keep an eye on your chat feed regularly to catch the eye emoji when it appears. Note that you'll only notice the peeking actively if you're looking at your chat feed at the moment they half swiped. 4. One-on-one group chats. The Peek a Peek feature works for both one-on-one and group chats on Snapchat. You'll receive the observing emoji indication for any conversation where someone half swipes. And it's important to understand that the Peek a Peek feature doesn't send notifications when someone half swipes. You'll only detect peeking activity by actively monitoring your chat feed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.